Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa like rice. First, measure 1 cup of quinoa and rinse it thoroughly under cold running water for at least 30 seconds. This crucial step removes saponin, a natural coating that can give quinoa a bitter or soapy taste. Use a fine mesh sieve to ensure no grains are lost during the rinsing process. This simple preparation makes a big difference. Next, combine your rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of water in a saucepan. For a subtle flavor boost, add a small pinch of salt to the water. Place the saucepan on your stove top and bring the mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. This initial boil is important for starting the cooking process correctly and evenly. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, then cover the saucepan tightly with a lid. Allow the quinoa to simmer gently for 15 minutes. It's important not to lift the lid during this time, as the steam is essential for proper cooking. The quinoa will absorb all the water, becoming tender and fluffy. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for another 5 minutes. This resting period allows the quinoa to steam further and become perfectly tender. Finally, remove the lid and gently fluff the quinoa with a fork. Your perfectly cooked, rice-like quinoa is now ready to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.